Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Microsoft Today. We click on Settings. In this page, you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, you can search about To-Do and you can click. Here in this page of App Info, you will enter to First Stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to Storage. Here you can click on Clear Cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Microsoft To-Do app. You will enter here. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.